Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to reset the TPMS, that's the tire pressure monitor system, guys, on Dodge Charger. That will be from 2008, 9 until 2013. Other Dodge vehicles as well, guys. Stay with us. We have that one. It's a 2010 model Dodge. Dodge Charger right here. And what's happening? We have a low tire. Okay, we're gonna check which one it is. Show you guys how to reset the TPMS. So stay with us now. Let's go put some air. It's freaking cold, guys. Let's check the tire pressure now quick. Okay, I think it's front right tire because it's pulling a little bit to the right. Only 25. So we definitely need to add some. Let's get some air and we'll show you how to reset the TPMS now. What's the procedure and what you need to do. Okay, let's see now. It's freaking cold, and when it's cold, the air in the tire compresses, so it gets less. So when it gets cold, guys, you always need to check your tires, especially winter time. And don't forget in the summer maybe to take some air out if it's too much, because on hot days it will increase. We have 32, which is great. You can find information how much you need when you open the door, guys, right here. Let me show you. Okay, we have it right here, and on this one it's 30. It needs to be a 30 in order to be okay. We still have the light on, you can see right here. Okay guys, what you need to do now in order to reset it, there is no button, you don't need to use tools if you have your TPMS sensors. What you need to do, you need to drive the car for about 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes, with over 15 miles an hour. So let's go ahead. We're gonna take it here on the boulevard now, and we want to see if it's going to work on this one now. Okay, light is still on, but you need to keep 15 miles an hour for over 2 minutes. Okay, and it's over 15 miles an hour. So as long as you're over 15, it's sending signal. It's a radio signal to the computer. It's gonna tell how much air it has in the sensors, and it will reset itself. So we're just driving down the road now. Okay, and let's see if it's going to work. Stay with us. Okay guys, it wasn't even 2 minutes. Maybe about 1 minute, light is gone. You can see we don't have the TPMS flat tire light anymore on the screen. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us support by subscribing so we can help more people and grow that channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.